For years, this has been the #1 most requested e-bike from our riders. A model that blends unstoppable fun with expertly engineered safety, and a model that combines the power and perks of an e-bike with more utility and stability for all types of riders. Get ready for an unexpected joyride, because the latest rad isn't an e-bike, it's an e-trike. Meet the Trike, a trailblazing e-trike designed from the ground up to change your ride for good. Our in-house team has spent years engineering the Trike, and I can confidently say that 3 wheels are just the beginning. The ergonomic design doesn't just provide maximum comfort, it makes it easy to turn on a dime, and if you need to backtrack, safely go in reverse. Its wide frame adjusts for travel and easily glides through most doorways. And with an industry-leading payload capacity, the Trike can carry up to 415 pounds, while the ultra-low step-through frame makes it easy to get on and off. It features an adjustable saddle and backrest, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. And whether you're pedaling with 5 levels of assist or cruising full throttle. A bright LED headlight, brake light, fenders, and chain cover are included to keep you visible and clean. Our exclusive add-ons give you the opportunity to create hundreds of different accessory combinations so you can personalize your ride, front and back.
Introducing the Caddy Pro. The Emojo Caddy Pro has a stable 3-wheel aluminum alloy rigid frame. It has a 500-watt electric motor and 48 volts lithium-ion battery to help you go far. The Caddy Pro features a backlit LCD display to increase readability outside. You will be comfortable on the Caddy Pro with its adjustable seat and backrest. It's easy to get around with the 7-speed gear shift system. UBS charging station. Hydraulic disc brakes. It has an outstanding load capacity. Enjoy a smooth ride with front suspension. The Caddy Pro's 4-inch fat tires can cover all terrains.